Hey everyone, I'm here today to dive into a simple yet intriguing topic. Should you soak rice before cooking? And more importantly, how does it affect your health? Let's start with the basics. Rice, a staple in diets worldwide, can sometimes cause a spike in your blood sugar levels, especially if it's not prepared the right way. But did you know there's a simple trick to make it healthier? Yes, soaking. So, what exactly does soaking rice do? When you soak rice, particularly those high-starch varieties, something amazing happens. There's this thing called enzymatic breakdown. Essentially, natural enzymes in the rice start breaking down complex carbohydrates into simpler sugars. This not only makes it easier to digest, but crucially impacts the rice's glycemic index, or GI. Now, the GI measures how quickly food raises your blood sugar. Foods with a lower GI are digested more slowly, which means they provide a more gradual increase in blood sugar levels. This is great because it gives you sustained energy and prevents those sudden spikes that can make you feel sluggish later on. But that's not all. Soaking rice also tackles anti-nutrients like phytic acid and tannins. These are compounds that can inhibit the absorption of vital nutrients by your body. Reducing their levels through soaking enhances the overall nutrient uptake from your rice. Isn't that something? However, it's important to note, especially if you have specific dietary concerns or medical conditions, you should definitely talk to a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before making significant changes to your diet. So, next time you plan to cook rice, consider soaking it first. It's a simple step with potential benefits for your health and energy levels. And who knows, it might just change the way you feel about this global staple. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this information helpful, please remember to subscribe, like, and share our video for more insightful tips like this. See you next time.